Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel for a new LEGO military video. Today we have the Sukhoi 25 from Russia. As usual, before starting I would like to remind you that in the description of the video you can find the links to download the PDF instructions to build the fighter and a playlist with many other projects like this one, so if you like it, check also the playlist, maybe you can find something else interesting for you. While now in this video we will check all the main features of the fighter. You have already seen the photos, so you know the overall look of the Su-25, but here I'll show you all the moving parts and the main details that were not so visible in the photos. I think we may start from, well, of course we have a minifigure, because this is in minifigure scale. The first moving part is the cockpit that opens this way and you can insert the minifigure inside. Okay, done. This is how it looks like with the pilot inside. Now is closed. I'll show you also the inside better this way. We have some commands here and there. Of course you can choose the one you prefer. I just placed the one I found more interesting, but you can change them. Here we have an HUD and this is how it looks like with the pilot inside. Then before checking all the features, I would like to tell you that I choose this camo, but of course you can change it. You have to replace all the green, tan, dark tan colors with dark bluish gray, and the final result will be the one you can see here. And this is how it looks like with a more standard camo in one simple color. In the instructions you can find the many color camo and obtain the other camo. Okay, so now I can show you the main features. Let's start from, I don't know, the wings. Of course here we have many moving parts, like one here, one here. Then we have air brakes in this position that are actually really weird also on the real one. Very small air brakes and don't do so much, but they are present on the real one and we added them also on the replica, so this is how it looks like with the air brakes on. Here we have moving parts also on the tail as well, as you may notice, and of course also here it moves right, left, left, right, right, left, left, right. And now I'll show you how the landing gears work. Upside down we have the front landing gear that can rotate. Let's see if I can find the position. Okay, the front landing gear is a steering, so you can rotate left and right just like the real one. And if you want to close it, you have to open this section, so you open it, then you can place the landing gear inside and close everything. The front landing gear is easier to open and close. Now for the back landing gear is a little bit more tricky, so as usual I'll close just one, the other is the same. You first open the hatch, again just like the front one. You have to open a little more also the back one here. In this position the black thing here is just a brake, is needed to make the landing gear to not close again because of the weight. You know, we have gravity. You can simply open it this way, so we don't have the stop anymore. And then let's see if we can do it. On a digital program is a little bit more tricky, yes, okay. So you have to close it a little this way. Then you have to rotate it a little. As I said before, is a little bit more tricky here. Don't worry, in real life is much easier because you have fingers. You know, until, as you may notice, can go inside it. Okay, and this is how it looks like with the landing gear closed. And then you can finally close both of the hatches. One here and one here. And this is how it looks like with the landing gear closed. Of course it's the same also for the other one, but the process is quite long, so this is how it looks like. Wait a second, upside down. And this is the final look with everything closed. Very fastly, again for the bottom, because we have here most of the details, we have the twin gun in this position. I think the idea of using the binocular is pretty nice. In the middle we can find the payloads for the payload. We have 5 under the wings and 1 here in the center. We have of course beacon lights on the sides, red for the left and green for the right. And I think that's all. There is nothing else to show if not the weapons. For the weapons they will be added in a separate file. We have many weapons, the file is still under development, so every time I add new weapons you will find an update on the link in the description of the video with the updated weapons. In this case you can see we have already many of them, and you can choose the one you prefer for the aircraft. In the photos you are watching in this moment we have many different configurations, and of course you can change the weapons and use the one you prefer. And also for today that's all. I hope you like the project. If yes, remember to leave a like, to leave a comment and let me know what you liked most of the project and what you want to see next. And if you can, please share the video with others you think may like it, it's always appreciated. See you in the next video. Bye bye!